other diesel niggas in the pic, such as myself. What's happening, man? We about to pull this duck out. All right, hold up. All right, and bro with the big, like the whole lot of fish he caught before.
Got him.
Hold it live on him.
All right, got it. Yeah. Oh shit.
I thought it was a strike between the way my head shaking. There's that fish. There's a fish right there behind us. Oh, you got a fish. You got a flathead. You got a flathead too, bro. Oh man, we need to get the flathead and the bird.
Who got a flathead?
You got a flathead on this. On the Sabiki rig too. He got a lot on here right now. Show the bird and the flathead. He gonna come. All right.
Hey, hold the pole for me, man. Yo. I got you there.
Oh wow.
Hold on, I got you.
You need to dip right now, bro. You need to dip right now.
You got like everybody. You got a white person or two.
All right, so we gotta get.
You got a white person or two.
All right. You got a white person. Oh, the catfish saw something else.
You know what? You just gonna have to go ahead and pull the bird up, and we're gonna just have to cut the catfish loose. Fuck it, I'll put another. I got a gap on.
All right, I'm gonna try to get him up though. All right.
Just take your time. That's all. Just take your time. Take your time. There you go. You getting them. You getting them.
Catfish on another line.
Hey, you got them all today, bro.
The catfish is on a spoon.
Got them all today.
Catfish on a fucking spoon. Anybody got a towel to put on that bird's face?
Right.
He gonna fuck you up.
Nah, I'm gonna try to get him right. You got some gloves?
I just gave you the gloves, bro.
Hold on, bird. Hold on. You gotta put a towel on his face. That'll calm him down.
Here, there goes a rag right there.
Where?
I got a rag, a red rag.
Cover his face, that'll calm him down.
Here you go. Here you go.
All right.
Yeah, you know, you gotta take it. You gotta go with better than
All right.
You gotta go well. Take him to like a vet.
No, you gotta take him to a vet and release him.
So it's behind, back in the water.
He can't fly with that wing.
All right. So.
No, we just got him hooked in the wing. Ain't
Y'all
nothing wrong with the wing.
make some motion over there.
Here you go.
All right.
Here you go, buddy. Yeah.
The video went down on me, bro. Sorry, bro.
No, don't scare him.
I caught another
All
line.
right.
Y'all be.
You got to get him like that.
Why you looking at me?
Cover his eyes. Y'all be good.
You pick that. I'm telling you right now.
He is a
Throw the
mean
rag
cook.
over his head. Throw it over his head.
He's panicking. No, don't. Y'all back up. Y'all back up. Y'all back up. Y'all back up. Y'all back up, please.
Okay.
Y'all back up. Back up. Back up. He's going by sight, man. Back up. He got that sharp hook on that beat.